Let's do today about symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry occurs when an object or shape looks exactly the same on both the sides of an imaginary line. We see various objects and figures in our daily life. Some are symmetrical and some are not symmetrical. Observe that in both the figures, the two parts on both the sides of the dotted line are exactly identical. Such figures are said to be symmetrical, and the dotted line is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Let's see few examples of symmetrical and asymmetrical figures. So, here in the left hand side, this figure is symmetrical and this is asymmetrical. One more example. Here, the tree is symmetrical and next one is asymmetrical. Children, I hope you have understood about symmetrical and asymmetrical figures. Let's do an activity 8. Write your name in capital letters. How many of the letter poses symmetry? How many letter is not symmetric? Children, write your name in capital letters. Here, S is not symmetric letter and H is symmetric letter. U is symmetric, E is symmetric, H is symmetric, and I is symmetric. Now, I'll write down how many letters are symmetrical letters. So, in my name, I have 4 symmetrical letters and 2 asymmetrical letters. Children, in the same way, find out how many symmetrical and asymmetrical letters is there in your name. Let's do activity 9. Draw a line of symmetry on each shape. So here, the line of symmetry is horizontal. In this figure, the line of symmetry is vertical. Children, in the same way, draw a line of symmetry on each shape and complete activity 9. Activity 10. Draw a line of symmetry on each shape. So, the Taj Mahal is divided vertically. Children, in the same way, draw a line of symmetry and complete activity 10. Activity 11. Some of these houses are symmetrical and some are not. Color the symmetrical houses light blue and color the houses that are not symmetrical in light green color. Then, for each symmetrical house, draw the line of symmetry with the red crayon. Children, here the first house is symmetrical, so color it light blue. And the second house is not asymmetrical, so color it green color. Children, in the same way, identify asymmetrical and symmetrical houses and complete activity 10. Activity 12. Use symmetry to complete the figure. Color it. Children, write down the figure similar to the right hand side and color it. Now, let's learn reflection. When you look into a mirror, you see your reflection. Reflection of an object is called its image. The image is of same size as the object and it is at the same distance from the central line which acts like a mirror. The reflected image is as far to the right of the central line as the object is to left of it. The image is just a flip across the central line. Activity 13. Draw the reflection of these shapes with the lines as the mirror line. Let's draw the reflection of smiley. Activity 14. Create a slogan on saving water and write its mirror reflection. So here you should write a slogan on saving water and in this you should write its mirror reflection. Use a mirror to write mirror reflection. Children, complete this activity.